Manipur Police amadi Security Force tathakiba search Operation da Nongmei chahunga kunipan grenade tara amadi detonator taret yauna yamlaba kusukulai kaya phagatpa ngamkhre akaknamba pau ama phangbadagi Manipur Police Central Armed Police Force amadi Indian Army Assam Rifle gi apunba team amana tampaki district mangagi tonga mafam singda thiba humbagi thabak sing sathaki haiba search operation aduda SLR rifle jamang khai mathoi insas rifle humfu manga rifle humfutara humdoi carbine gun manga MP5 gun ani LMG rifle taranithoi AK series taruk among rifle ani mortar ama pistol taruk barrel ani AR-15 ama faregal ani magazine assorted chawngaga Humfutara mathoi SLR round dising ahunga chawngaga kontra mari insas round dising aniga chamaga marifutara taruk 303 round dising aniga chaniga yakhaini thoi AK round chalis ngapigani chaniga kontra mari among round chamriga taret 9mm round kun grenade tara lethot ahum detonator taret para ahum yauri.
Other recoveries comprise of magazines 591, SLR rounds 3,534, INSAS rounds 2,186, 303 rounds 2,252, AK rounds 234, AMOG rounds 407, 9mm rounds 20, lithode 3, detonators 7 and para bombs 3. These intelligence-based operations mark a major achievement for the Manipur police and the security forces in their continued efforts to restore normalcy, maintain public order and ensure the safety and security of citizens and their properties. The Manipur police reiterates its commitment to a peaceful and secure Manipur. The public is urged to cooperate with police and security forces and report any suspicious activities or information related to illegal weapons to the nearest police station or central control room.